Select the artboard of 1920 by 1080 pixel. Choose the Go to Pen tool and click. With the help of pen tool, we will create the swoosh. This shape means victory worldwide. Designers didn't choose this logo. They respected it. Click on the shape and go to Fill tool and choose blank. After that, go to Curvature tool and holding Alt, click on the points, you will get the curves. If you want to know why designers love this logo, then subscribe me and you will get the notification about the new video which will be aired on Wednesday. Go to Object and click on Expand. After that, go to Type tool and click on the Type tool and follow the steps as shown on the screen. Instead of using italic font, we will use the shear tool for better visual. Click on shear tool and click on the points and follow the steps as shown. Follow SGraphicDesign for more such videos. Comment me which logo you want to see next. Thank you for watching.